I'm really tired now.
I know.
I wanna do their video.
Yeah, I'll be last.
Okay. No,
Yeah.
Because this is the moment.
Oh, this is the moment.
You may not get it again.
Okay.
Yes. So you told me your name is
ANOTO in China.
ANOTO in China.
ANOTO. ANOTO
ANOTO
in China.
ANOTO is your real name or is
it? It's my real name. Very unique. If you come across anybody with the name ANOTO, yes. I pay you 10,000.
Oh, 10,000
Kenyan shillings, not dollars for now.
Yeah. On Facebook, you'll find ANOTO. Your family name.
No, maybe you'll find one or two of my family colleagues of my clan.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, I see you have a DJ Action 4.
Action 4.
We have this camera actually.
You have it here in.
Yeah, somebody brought us a gift. Two of them.
Okay.
But we gave out the other one.
Yeah.
Yes.
I bought it in China at 3,600 yuan. Coming to ask the price here in Nairobi, they tell me 120,000.
They must be crazy expensive.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, so I've traveled all the way from China. I booked. Hold this for me.
The only thing is shoes.
Yeah.
Because these people are really cleaning.
Yeah, I know. I have to remove my V8.
This is your V8?
Yeah, my V8 is so big. It needs
He's removing his V8.
Yeah, my V8. Not Subaru.
No problem.
Yeah.
Okay. ANOTO, what are you doing in China?
I'm studying in China and at the same time I'm having fun documenting about my life experiences in China.
You've made it already.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes people want that opportunity just to be some. You know, sometimes when we are home, people don't really appreciate us.
Yeah.
Maybe when we are far away, people start seeing us from far. Then when we come home, they say, "Oh, you are that guy we saw in China." You know.
Yeah.
So ANOTO.
Yeah.
What's the plan of today?
First of all, while I was in China, I was in communication with your PA.
Okay.
Through booking model.
Okay.
And they left me hanging because I was planning to travel here and I had booked already.
Okay.
So the last communication was you just come and then we will, when you are here, we'll tell you when to come.
Yeah.
And then from there, I sent an email 4 weeks ago, nothing.
Yeah, 4 weeks ago, it means the day the party started.
Yeah.
Because once the party started, I think it's overwhelming.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. But anyway, I said they must
imagine come. Right now, the party has ended.
Yeah.
The way you're seeing things.
Yeah.
Imagine when the party is here.
Yeah, I was seeing on the lives and on your YouTube channel, it was very, very crazy. But I
hold for us, Ken.
Yes. I thank God that you've gotten this opportunity to be able to accept me.
Let me put you on my channel also, so you have a chance.
All right.
Guys, we have a guy from China. His name is ANOTO.
ANOTO in China.
ANOTO in China.
ANOTO in China.
What if you leave China? Will you change your name?
Yeah, I will change. But first of all, because China is the place I've started content creation, I want, if I get that silver baton, to have that ANOTO in China, so that when I move elsewhere, it will remind me of my journey.
So you use VPN to access?
Yeah, I use VPN
all the time.
Yeah. Without VPN, I cannot watch a Amaro. I cannot access Gmail. Any Google stuff. Yeah, so we use VPN.
And does it mean that actually, like, most Chinese don't know anything about Google?
They have VPNs also.
Okay.
All of them, most of them I meet, they have VPNs. So they love YouTube, they love things from the West.
Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram, they are on Facebook. Although the Chinese TikTok, they have a Chinese version of TikTok called Douyin. So that is only accessible to the Chinese people. But for the international version of TikTok, if you have a Chinese mobile number, you remove it and then you can access the international version of TikTok.
Wow, guys, that's life in China.
Yeah.
So ANOTO, what brings you to Ayamaro after the party? Why did you not come before the party?
They say he who laughs last laughs better. So
that's the game.
You know,
guys, please don't come. Yes, please don't come.
Yeah.
You know, actually, I was told that they have put 2 people outside the gate, and they had to ask me, should they come or... Guys, please don't put me in a compromising situation where you reach and say, I was chased from Ayamaro. Please don't. The party is over. I need 1 week to rest, at least a week. So at least I can enjoy Christmas. Like today I'm going to visit Alex, as I already told you. So if I talk too much, when I go there, my battery is low. Oh, I need to get another one.
So
Let me bring my battery. But we can still do. You can bring me a new battery. Where can you charge? Then you get a new one.
how long does your battery last?
That means the video is 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yes.
Okay.
Because me, I don't. All my shots go in. Like I'm not the guy who cuts, edits.
Just flow.
I'm living life.
Yeah.
And with all imperfections, we live life. You know?
Yeah.
Yes.
And I'm embracing that from you actually.
Yeah.
Because when I was starting, I see people do fancy edits, and I don't have time for that. I just want the raw and cut experience my life in
That's
China.
life. That is life.
Yeah.
Why would you run away from that real life?
Yeah.
And you want everything edited?
Yeah.
Maybe then people should watch a Netflix movie because it's scripted. You know.
Yeah. You had a really harsh experience in Hong Kong.
That is one of my.
I watched that video.
16 hours. And actually, before 16 hours, I had taken a flight from Los Angeles. So, but it is what it is.
Yeah.
I plan to go back.
Welcome back.
But I don't know how I will go back because they will be waiting for me again to deport me.
No, just come. You never know.
Yeah. No, I will go. I will go this time,
Yeah.
ready to be deported, and I see what will happen.
I don't know why you had such an experience.
Yes.
Because most of the people from other parts, the Chinese give you a very good reception.
No, you know, Hong Kong, by that time, they were protesting. And they had do things to do with, I didn't really like videos and stuff. Maybe they thought I'm like, you know.
Spying on them.
Maybe, I don't know. Because that time, Hong Kong was going through this. We don't want China to take us. We want, you know.
Yeah, but sorry about that experience. It gives you more experiences to share, so that when you talk to us, we can really know there's ups and downs of traveling. Some place you can be received, some place they cannot even receive you.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I'm finally getting to the plane. And my letter has the word deportee. It's so crazy, man. So.
So once you deplane, just come up this door for the agent will have your passport, okay?
Sorry.
When we get to San Francisco, come up the plane from this door. The agent will take care of you.
So which agent will do that?
United agent, when we arrive in San Francisco.
Okay. So my seat number is
52. I'll take it to your seat, okay?
So if you
Hey, bro.
Okay, this way. 唔好意思啊，我係咪帶佢入去？你喺呢度等。
你打佢俾我特機門一閂我就走翻出去。
哦，原來
係啊係啊，平時都係咁。
使唔使帶佢？使唔使？
我唔使噶啦，你帶佢入去坐得噶啦。我哋翻。
This way, please.
OK，廿二1，OK，佢正㗎，係啊係啊，你跟住
Hey, how are you? That's my friend. Awesome. Going back? Yeah. So, they didn't let me go in, man. Yeah. And it's so crazy. They detained me. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Oh, okay.
So I was with him. He was my seatmate when I was flying from San Francisco. It's crazy, man. They detained me.
I saw you go the other way, and I didn't even say goodbye, but...
Yeah. So I arrived there and they took my stuff. Not even my stuff. They just say like they can't let me for no reason. I had everything. Bookings, flight out, everything. So now I'm being deported
Back to...
San Francisco.
Oh my God.
I'll see you there.
Okay, alright, sorry.
No, it's okay. So I flew with that guy. He was my seatmate. I think he's super surprised, like they deported me. He can't believe it, man. That's crazy. Wow, man. Humanity. I'm still looking for my chair. I've not eaten, man, for 24 hours. So crazy. No water. Nothing. Can I put my bag here?